Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to show you some skin whitening juices which will going to be effective for you if you make them part of your daily diet. We are going to explain there are some other health benefits too. So watch this video till the end to get exciting benefits of drinking these juices. The first juice which we are talking about is tomato juice. Drinking a glass of tomato juice regularly helps to prevent acne on your skin. It will also help to shrink the large open pores on your skin. It contains so many antioxidants which will help you to remain young. It will also help to treat skin discoloration. Thereby, you can choose this juice for skin glowing and whitening. You can also add honey or salt to give it a better taste. Orange juice. Orange contain a lot of vitamin C in it which will help to improve your complexion as well as keeps skin problems away. Orange juice is known as best hydrating juice which will help to keep your skin free from dryness and so many other skin problems. It is recommended to drink a glass of orange juice regularly early in the morning, and you can drink this juice in evening too. Make it a part of your daily diet for best results. Carrot juice. Carrot contains a lot of vitamin A in it which will help to fight against radicals in our body. In this juice, you can also add beetroot. We have also added some beetroot in this juice as the combination of carrot and beetroot found to be really good for your skin. Beetroot will help in purifying your blood, which will ultimately result in glowing and clear complexion. This juice will also help in cleaning your stomach. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.